Morse code dinner date. It's the boys, 07, Shoutout. About to go get some food, talk music, this and that. Tomorrow we got a studio session. You'll probably see that later in the video. Yeah, let's get it. Got that 07 site drip.
What's happening? What's happening? I didn't even know he was vlogging, yo.
Alright, here we are, bro.
I got my work drip on, man.
Hey, there's all different styles of drip, you feel me?
We ready, though.
Thanks. Tell me what you got to get and how overwhelmed you feel.
Not too overwhelmed, but I'm more overwhelmed about what I'm gonna eat, man. It's too many options.
That's what happens when you have a good woman.
Yeah.
Dude, what you getting?
I'm looking to get some tacos, empanadas. Also, I just saw somebody walking around with a milkshake with a waffle on top of the straw. That should look fire. Yeah. So I'm yeah.
This might be the most crowded I've seen this place. The last time I was here, there was a few tables open, but not to this level. We had to walk around here for like 5 minutes to find a table.
Oh yeah, it took us almost 15 minutes, I think, to find a table before we came here.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, we came here, well, it was like 6 of us. That's why it was a little hard.
Right.
Yeah, it was a little hard for us to find a spot. As a matter of fact, we sat right there, actually. Like, we split those 2 tables.
I'm also trying to vlog, because this makes me uncomfortable, so I'm trying to do it because it makes me uncomfortable.
So you're recording a few minutes?
Yeah. What's up, boys? We have BLV Studio today. Round 2 of our artist cook-up, whatever you want to call it. Today we got Howard, Shoutout, myself, and Noah. We'll be cooking up. We have some opens, some beats that were produced by said artists. Great that you could be here with us. Let's go.
And applause hits differently when it comes to cats cast out on me. Cut the right back. Didn't like that. Oh shit, no one's here, let's go. Yo. Not on yet, but bound to be. Praise and applause hits differently when it comes from cats that cast out on me. Cut the bad fruit out the tree. Cut deep, could have been part of this scene. Cowardly heads throw stones and flee. Text left unseen reads, forgive me please. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Text left unseen reads, forgive me please. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. New Year, same BS. Golly G, still a menace. Iron might bite off appendage. Listen, lame, I ain't no yes man. And won't find none in my section. Just pretended, too tempted, never learn my lesson. Ah, shit. I got lost in the beat. That should go hard.
Do you want me to run it back?
Yeah. Best money makers and best friends, plus possibly future exes. She's a clear 11. I'm a 10 if I'm pretending, too tempted, never learn my lesson. Wanna flex to impress him, it's too expensive. Far from rich, at least not struggling this year. We finna double it. Gotta kick up to the mothership while you was running shit. Here comes the trick, canaries on call. Can't trust your friends. All dog does is bark, put that muzzle to him. Bitch, take the hit. We built different.
Zach and Jalen.
He is.
Yeah.
You know, because this is like 8, so if we can do it to like 16.
Yeah, when I was doing it, that whole space, that's where I was gonna do the Freddy Krueger, maybe, like repeating that part shit, like the little chanting part.
Yeah. I mean, we could potentially just kind of like chop it up.
That too.
You know.
I mean, you're saying you want me to lay that part right now? Left unseen reads, forgive me please. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Text left unseen reads, forgive me please. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Text left unseen reads, forgive me please. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams. Text left unseen reads, forgive me please. Freddy Krueger, maybe in your dreams.
Yo, can you turn down my vocals a little bit? You hear me, baby? Yeah. Uncommon, all of them is real fat. My least favorite type of people be the ones that all cap. If you want to win in life, 2 words, call Zach.
Yo, that was tough.
Ransom, I'ma take the game if no one else is standing. I'm in the studio smoking standards. Number 1, let me get it back. favorite type of people be the ones that all cap. If you want to win in life, 2 words, call Zach. He got the answers. I'ma call a ransom. I'ma take the game if no one wants to stand up. I'm in the studio smoking standards. Remember when I used to fantasize by hand, and now I got a woman and she got a man, and I'm a maniac. I need to find some manners, but damn.
Bitch, I got a stupid flow. Put my thumb on her clit, and she said, oh.
Alright, keep that. Punch me in. Don't give a fuck.
I go dumb when I spit. Bitch, I got a stupid flow. Put my thumb on her clit, and she said, oh.
Alright, Bellio, let me get that back. That
This is
take.
going way better than I thought it would. I was like, I
Got
can't
a woman and she got a man, and I'm a
This
maniac.
is
I need to find some
fucking
manners, but damn. Don't give a fuck.
I go dumb when I spit. Bitch, I got a stupid flow. Put my thumb on her clit, and she said, oh.
Stand up, I'm in the studio smoking standards. Remember when I used to fantasize by hand, and now I got a woman and she got a man, and I'm a maniac. I need to find some manners, but damn. Don't give a fuck.
I go dumb when I spit. Bitch, I got a stupid flow. Put my thumb on her clit, and she said, oh. I'ma always be stupendous when I'm in the studio. I'ma always work relentless till my rent is super low. They was sleep.
Since my higher pitch is like a higher frequency, it seems I feel like it needs to be.
I'm glad I didn't add any.
Got a woman and she got a man, and I'm a maniac. I need to find some manners, but damn. Don't give a fuck.
I go dumb when I spit. Bitch, I got a stupid flow. Put my thumb on her clit, and she said, oh. I'ma always be stupendous when I'm in the studio. I'ma always work relentless till my rent is super low. They was sleeping back then, but they know young vision woke. Let me introduce you to the bros, we all go. Freddie, okay that I'm not in the tune at the top, cause I'm all that I got. If I fall down, I rock it.
Bring that the word. I word that off right here.
Listen, I polish my politics, try to do that before I get all caught up in nonsense and drama.
I had that one from my mom.
I call the shots and I'm here to abolish your radio box.
Immediately, like, just played nothing but Twisted Metal and Need for Speed from then on.
Right when it says radio
And then
box.
just now, recently, I started looking
Nonsense and
at
drama, I'm not
I fucked with
But I
4 to
call the
7
shots and I'm here to abolish your radio box. If you play me, you're not gonna be.
I like building stupid shit.
But I call the shots and I'm here to abolish your radio box. If you play me, you're not gonna be changing the odds. It's okay that I'm not.
Oh, wait, what's up, son?
927 East Philly, right there by Allen Park. Allen Park was in my backyard.
No fucking way!
I swear to God.
You know that red house where like that RV was? Next to the baseball fields?
Yes.
I lived in the red house. That was my dad's house.
No, we were like that's like fucking 3 doors down from each other. Like
Dude,
3 4 doors down.
Yo, I'd be posted out watching the cars cruise on the circuit before that dickhead went and rolled his shit in front of my crib,
Hell
ruined
yeah.
it for everyone. Fucking
Yeah, that
amateur,
sound good.
can't drive.
So you lived on the
Yep.
was it 1,000 block or the 800 block?
Yeah.
Bro, we deadass lived like 5, 6 houses from each other. That's actually crazy.
Like, how old? Like, what grade was that?
It was like,
That's kind of sounds stupid. At least
Freddy Krueger.
What?
If you guys weren't saying Freddy Krueger, you were just saying maybe.
No, I was saying Freddy Krueger.
That's cool. I can cut that.
That's all good. It makes
I thought it was cool.
Layers.
Layers.
Onions have layers.
Then we just have both.
Alright.
Why is it an onion?
It would sound oversaturated. It would make it sound more like a crowd.
Yeah.
Fucking Shrek did numbers.
Okay. What up with his baby mom and a fucking onion?
Like a kid.
Yeah, that's literally.
I'm not a lot of people, but he reminds me a lot of like 21 Pilots.
Oh shit.
It's his vocal tone. It's the way he like it's like his vocal tone mixed with like his flow that's like whiny. It doesn't sound bad whiny. It just kind of sounds like violence.
All I can hear is
I was not expecting him to approach
Foot to
this
the
type of
floor, it's a
flow at
race.
all. I thought it was just rap.
I live a life that is not meant to be. Can you handle the burden I am? This was a life that was given to me, and I couldn't give less of a damn.
Bailey, was that the SSL?
Yeah.
That's what you think he should put on there?
Yeah.
I feel like he should
That stay.
like when he says I am so high up, he should add like a harmony or not a harmony that's kind of echo himself.
Yeah.
I am so high up, I am so high up. You know what I'm saying? I think it's
Yeah, he was asking if you should dub it, like, kind of like this. And I don't know, I kind of like it just being like clean, like,
yeah.
yeah. I could probably just move all these over a little bit.
Can you handle the burden I am? This was the life that was given to me, and I couldn't give less of a damn.
She got friends from my friends, pull up and pile in a ride. It's first Friday, we used to split a 40 in the alleyway. Now we paid, sipping champagne in the alleyway. Another night in PA, bring a mop and might get dirty. Me and mine's all 7:30, sorry in advance if I get flirty. Girl, you're just so perfect, damn. I didn't know if I should like do it kind of like sing-songy like that or just go like aggressive with the beat.
Those lay the best flow, asked them all to get on my song, but they still won't. Hey, Rick. Alright, watch this. Well, let me hear that real quick. Cause I really have no fear. It's a rap, I'm popping like heavy metal, not in the middle. I am on a level that's not existential. I'm extraterrestrial. My manifestos lay the best flow. Asked them all to get on my song, but they still won't. If you wanna get on your song, I'm visiting, you gotta bring some extra pencils. Let me get it back. Rap, I'm popping like heavy metal, not in the middle. I am on a level that's not existential. I'm extraterrestrial. My manifestos lay the best flow. Asked them all to get on my song, but they still won't. If you wanna get on a song, I'm visioning, you gotta bring some extra pencils. Alright, let me hear that. Get on my song, but they still won't. If you wanna get on a song, I'm visioning, you gotta bring some extra pencils. If you wanna get on a song, I'm visioning, you gotta bring some extra pencils. Yo, let me get that take plus the purple joint back. In less than like 4 years, bro, it is so weird. You're not an artist if you only doing one genre of music. I'm doing it all cause I really have no fear. It's a rap, I'm popping like heavy metal. An artist if you only doing one genre of music. I'm doing it all cause I really have no fear. It's a rap, I'm popping like heavy metal, not in the middle. I am on a level that's not existential. I'm extraterrestrial. My manifestos lay the best flow. Asked them all to get on my song, but they still won't. If you wanna get on a song, you're visioning, you gotta bring some extra pencil. Erase it all, I can race it backwards. I'ma write it once and I don't have to scrap.
If you wanna get on a song,
Still won't. If you wanna get on a song with them vision, then you gotta bring some extra pencil. Erase it all, I can race it backwards. I'ma write it once and I don't have.
alright, bet. Let me hear that then. Then you can keep the beat drop on that part.
Play the best flow, ask them all to get on my song, but they still won't. If you wanna get on a song.
No, let me get that take back again.
Back then I was on 10, oh, it's 100 now, can't you tell?
Can't you tell that I'll be with her till I'm in there and I'm dinner for the insurance? Remember when I shopped at Spencer's, then you got me Fashion Nova. And I know that freezing winters give your soul piercing blinters. Now you wanna switch countries, but I've been told you how this works. Go to work and work on self, stack your wealth.
Running with thinking that SNL. Back then I was on 10, oh, it's 100 now, can't you tell?
Can't you tell that I'll be with her till I'm in there and I'm dinner for the insurance? Remember when I shopped at Spencer's, then you got me Fashion Nova. And I know that freezing winters give your soul piercing blinters. Now you wanna switch countries, but I've been told you how this.
You said what?
I said blinters, not blinters. Let me get this whole take back. Yeah.
So
I remember back when I liked shot res. North Hills a recess on my fight shot res. All because it's friend. Time went on.
I love this shit right here.
Since we was used, I was doing my thing. Heard he was too hurt his early phone. Saw good.
I like showers. That's good.
On some fucking talking shit already.
That's true story though.
It was true. I didn't like him in middle school.
Bro, no, 4th grade, maybe middle school, bro. 4th grade, we used to fucking pretty much bully each other.
It was up.
It was up.
Literally because I didn't like a person he was friends with, and it was just like, you're friends with him too? Yeah, fuck you too then.
Yeah, that's story of my life, I guess.
So essentially that was the problem. Thought good for you, then he dropped, thank God, thought that one smooth. Hit him up, name your price, he replied, I won't, no charge, it's cool. I'm trying to make it out, same as you, cut to present day. Now Shane's my dog, in case the frequency of songs we both on didn't make it obvious. And if that one guy's listening, fuck you, suck my dick. Exposing the only one here who's toxic. They should've never let us log in, that was everyone's problem. Been making progress, increasing profits, increase the volume, bitch, dynamic duos back and shares a likeness with Virgil and Wyatt, Hercules and Goliath, the Savo Lions, two-headed Hydra, two sleeping giants, all down to the Showered Alliance, brought to you by Young Vision and Mr. Chaotic. Need that middle finger music, you're in luck, we got a full supply of it. The mosh was mine, go ahead, fucking dive on in. I'm a lover and a fighter and a rude motherfucker, that's your muse, all fucker, being growing fond. Running back from, where's that big pause at? I'm trying to make it out, same as you, at the present day. Now Shane's my dog, in case the frequency of songs we both on didn't make it obvious. And if that one guy's listening, Yo, cause exposed ain't the only one here who's toxic. They should've never let us lock in. Now it's everyone's problem. Been making progress, increasing profits, increase the volume. Bitch, dynamic duos stacking shares of likeness with Virgil and Wyatt, Hercules and Goliath, the Sob Alliance, two-headed Hydra, two sleeping giants. The dawn of the Showered Alliance, brought to you by Young Vision and Mr. Chaotic. Need that middle finger music, you're in luck, we got a full supply of it. The mosh pit's fine, go ahead, fucking dive on in. I'm a lover and a fighter and a rude motherfucker. That's your muse, all fucker. Been growing fond of striped suits, motherfucker. Look like Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
I'm killing the space and you thought you were living. Now please know your place when you step in the kitchen. I just overeaten, I'm filling my dishes with extra ambition. I'm effortless, listen, I'm truly existing with newer religions. I'm crossing you out and I'm crossing the bridges with liquid ignitions and burning it down. So you better start swimming or it's gonna be fishy. The rest of y'all niggas can shut up and listen. The extraterrestrial stepped in the session. I'm hoping the scissors and made an incision. Your blood doesn't match my imperial interest. I'm cutting too deep with the scary decisions are too obsolete and it's very offensive. If you even think that we're carrying the witness, and if you call me Young Vision, you see I'm a legend.
I remember back when I ain't like Shoutout. North Hill's a reason I might fight Shoutout. All because his friend and I bumped heads. Time went on as it tends to do. Grew up, things changed since we was youth. I was doing my thing and he was too. Heard his early songs, thought good for you. Then he dropped Thank God, thought that one smooth. Hit him up, name your price, he replied,
I won't, no charges, cool. I'm trying to make it out, same as you.
Got the present day. Now Shane's my dog. In case the frequency of songs we both on didn't make it obvious. And if that one guy's listening, fuck you, suck my dick. Cause exposed ain't the only one here who's toxic. They should've never let us lock in. Now it's everyone's problem. Been making progress, increasing profits, increase the volume. Bitch, dynamic duos stacking shares of likeness with Virgil and Wyatt, Hercules and Goliath, the Sob Alliance, two-headed Hydra, two sleeping giants. The dawn.
He has to add that. Yeah, he has to. Make it real calm. Hey, it's only right?
Got it going on. Hey, okay, yo. Oh, Mrs. Williams, your daughter's got it going on, got it going on. Hey, I keep my feelings in, I do not trust your kin. I'm honored, ring the alarm, ring the alarm. I see it crashing down, I hear you running round. I'm on your heels, so don't you trip, don't you trip. Alright, babe, keep that right there, let me punch me in. Unless,
Yo, do you like it how I jacked it out, or you like it how like, kind of my voice was kind of disappearing on the other one?
I think he was trying to get at like
No,
right
no.
after you say it, you kind of
for the
like
lead.
yell it a little bit.
No, no, he's saying it for the lead.
I just did the lead vocal over it.
Oh.
Do you think it sounds cool? Which version? Because they're slightly different. Why not dragged out your dog?
where am I? And why can't we cross this line? Should I just save myself? I can't decide. Let me leave today before I have to pay. You just take my breath away. Make me go insane, 'cause I love the pain. Tell me.
What's good, man? It's Young Shoutout, Young Vision. We are here in the studio. Good cookers, good sessions. Let's get it.
It's crazy. Yeah, dude, fucking. The session's over. I don't know.
Go home.
And through these tears, I'm finding strength in my heart. In the darkness, I'll always find a way to restart. And if I never make it out, at least I know I can make it through the ups and downs.